Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 1.4 eHybrid petrol engine pushing out 218 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. This example is finished in a two-tone colour paint job, mono silver over energetic orange. The vehicle also features IQ LED matrix dipped headlights, as well as having front parking sensors. Down below, the Multivan sits on the 17-inch Dundrod alloy wheels finished in a black and silver colour. The Multivan also comes with a rear roof spoiler, as well as having a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The Multivan also comes with a power assisted tailgate, meaning that it can be opened at the push of a button. This can also be operated from the key fob itself. Inside the load area of the Multivan, there is an ample amount of storage space, as well as a parcel shelf. The space in the back of the Multivan can be increased by moving the whole rear bench forward. There is also a button on the inside of the tailgate, allowing for a quick and easy close of the tailgate. The van comes with twin sliding doors, which are power assisted as well on either side of the vehicle. There is a 3-seater passenger bench to the rear with 2 seats in the middle, and a very lovely panoramic glass sunroof with a 90% dark tint, as well as a power shade. In the middle, there is a foldable table that also houses 2 drinks holders. This little box can be slid all the way to the front of the vehicle, as well as all the way to the rear. Up front in the driver's cab, there is an ergo comfort seat for the driver. The seats in the vehicle are finished in the art fellers. There's also a smaller sunroof over the driver and front passenger's head. The vehicle comes with some excellent features, such as this 10-inch color touchscreen multimedia system. There is a menu with touch controls that can access a few of the different settings, and the vehicle also comes with inbuilt navigation, allowing for a quick and easy use in locating where your next destination is. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, which also has a heated function. On top of this, there is a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.